What types of homes are eligible for VA loan financing?
Many types of homes are considered financeable under the VA Home Loan Guarantee Program. And there are certain guidelines a property must meet before it can be financed with a VA mortgage. Previously owned and new construction single-family homes are eligible. They just need to be in good, safe, and livable condition as determined by a VA-approved appraiser. Condominiums and townhomes are handled a little differently. Lenders have access to a list of condominiums and townhomes, planned unit developments, and builders that are VA-approved. Homes on the list qualify for VA financing. If the home you want is not on the list, you can fill out paperwork and submit it to the VA to see if it qualifies. Finally, some manufactured homes are also financeable. They need to be classified and taxed as real estate, must be affixed to a permanent foundation, and must conform to building codes and zoning requirements. Certain types of modular homes may also be eligible. Even though VA guidelines allow for financing on these types of properties, individual lenders may not offer VA loans on all of them. A VA mortgage professional can help you understand the property eligibility guidelines in your area.
This is Tim Lewis, veteran of Operation Iraqi Freedom. As a team manager at iFreedom Direct, I have the opportunity to answer lots of good questions from service members about how to use their VA loan benefits. Do you have questions? Get in touch with our VA mortgage professionals through directvaloans.com. There's no obligation, so on your feet!